So we're still on page 16, and what I want to do is I want to look at this circular shape and how it works within the context of an addition to this Ronde script that I absolutely love. Now, I've shown you how the circle works, and what I want to show you now is how it works within the context of movement. So we have the train ride, sort of chugga chugga chugga, where we go tangential touching to all these points, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 to generate the circle. And we see how the circle actually starts for me here, because it's about the momentum. How do we take this potential energy and convert it into kinetic energy to give us the right shape of the curve? So we start here, all the way over here and down as a trace in the air, a mark on the page, and up, and the tool touches the page there, and I go all the way back over and down to here, and back over and around and through and over to generate my curve. So we get this. So it helps the breath, the momentum, and the movement help to create the circle. Now, of course, in civilité, you have this amazing C, which is also used in the ronde, which is this C, but of course you can make it even wider. Believe it or not, it does work. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9. So this trace and this mark, remember the trace is in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So the trace and the mark, so this goes down to here and it comes back out this way. The trace and the mark really help you to generate the structure that you need by using your breath and the momentum.